Today I want to discuss long-term and short-term disability claims based on post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. It's becoming a much more common diagnosis, and you're seeing it applied along different ways. Many insurance companies will challenge these claims for a variety of reasons. One of the main reasons nowadays is PTSD that may or may not be related to military service. Usually an insurance company will find out whether or not you are receiving any type of treatment from the VA. And a lot of times the VA will diagnose PTSD as service-related. Many disability insurance policies you may get from your employer will specifically exclude any claims for benefits that are based on an act of war, declared or undeclared. It's not uncommon to see servicemen and women who've come back and even years after the fact develop symptoms of PTSD that can be tied back to their service. Another common instance where we're seeing more cases for PTSD have to do with workplace situational problems. More and more claims are being filed because of interactions that were potentially violent or mentally abusive in the workplace. The insurance companies usually attack these not so much as a disability, but as a workers' compensation situation. Insurance companies, along any of these mental health diagnoses, PTSD, even though being quite severe, will treat it no differently than they will a simple stress, anxiety, or depression. Well, they'll try to say, well, your complaints are subjective in nature. Your complaints are based on something that has nothing to do in the course of your work or your ability or inability to do your occupation. If you do have or suffer from PTSD and you are covered under your employer's disability insurance policy and you're thinking about filing a claim on account of it, please feel free to contact our office so we can discuss what's the best way to set forth your claim to ensure the best likelihood of being successful in obtaining benefits.